situation where you've let grease or residue build up on your surfaces over time and you're having a lot of trouble getting that clean, you're gonna have to make some chemistry happen to get that stuff to come off. And the best way to make chemistry happen is a little heat and a little friction. A little heat and friction can make anything happen. That's what she said. Anyway, heat, hot boiling water. You're gonna wanna put just a little bit of a surfactant. Dish soap is plenty, fairly concentrated, so a good glug in there. And friction, a magic eraser. These things are magical, but they do actually have abrasive particles in them, so don't use them on a soft surface like stainless steel or plastic or even wood. They will scratch. If you want to use it on a surface, you need to test it first. All you gotta do to get started is get the magic eraser a little bit wet, and then you're gonna start scrubbing. Okay, so I did 6 tiles with my right arm, and I'm going to switch out and do probably a whole 10 tiles with my left arm, just a row. And this is probably gonna go a little slower because I'm right-handed. That's what he said. A fun thing to do while you're doing this, just to move a little extra, is kind of just move your spine, like as you're scrubbing. I don't know, just keeping things interesting. Ooh, I got a pop, did you hear that? Okay, that was a bit tedious, but it's done. And now, next time, after I cook, all I have to do is take a hot soapy rag, wipe off my cupboards, wipe off the tile in the back, wipe off my stovetop, and I'm done. It took me 45 minutes to clean up all the residue and all the oil that was sitting on those surfaces. And now I can just keep on top of it. Yeah, that's what she said.